Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas video. I feel like so many people used to love these videos back in the day, and I feel like they're slowly starting to come back. I saw them all over my For You page on TikTok of people showing what they got for Christmas, and I always feel like it's super interesting. I love to see what people like ask for and see like just like the different things people get. So yeah, leave a comment down below what your favorite thing that you got for Christmas was. So let's go ahead and get started with the haul. Okay, so I have everything placed on the ground and it's a little chaotic. I am back in Nashville now. I celebrated Christmas with my family in Chicago, so I had to transport all of this stuff. So I think after I unpacked, I think this is everything. Hopefully I'm not missing anything, but we got a lot to go through. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, I'm filming this before work. It's 8:15 right now and they start work at 9, so I need to film this in like 15 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with some stuff that I got from my coworkers because you guys, they spoiled me so much. I was not expecting that. They were all so sweet and so kind. So I work with 3 other people, so this is for the 3 of them. So they all gave me like such cute cards, and then in one of the cards from my coworker, she gave me $100 bill, and I was just so shocked by that. And then something is super funny. So I was actually telling her how like I had this jar and I couldn't open it, but I don't have any like grippers to open the jar with. So she got me some, which is so funny because I told that to her maybe like a month and a half ago, and she remembered. So she got me these like circle ones, but then she also got me these like really cool like gripper things. I don't even know what they're called, but there comes with 2 of them, and you like put them on the jar and it's supposed to like open it for you. So I don't know, it's really cool. So that was really thoughtful of her, so I'm super thankful for that. And then my other coworker, he gave me a Slider House gift card, which is my favorite restaurant in Nashville, hands down. It is so good. So he gave that to me, and then he also gave me like some random like funny toys. And so it's like a stress reliever, is like a unicorn, but it's at my desk at work, so I don't have that. And then my boss was just like, oh my goodness, she was so thoughtful for me, and I truly do not deserve her. But she gave me this palette from Too Faced because she knows I love makeup. So this is their Born This Way, the Natural Nudes, and it's an eyeshadow palette, and it is just so thoughtful of her. I literally, like, I was opening these gifts and I was like, you guys, I do not deserve them. They were just so sweet. And so that's what the palette looks like. So yeah, I'm really excited to test this out. I didn't even know that this palette existed. So she got that for me. She also got me a Sephora gift card, so super thoughtful. And then my boss also gave me this like adorable purse, which I feel like I might use this for New Year's Eve because I feel like New Year's Eve is all about like the sparkles, and I feel like this is gonna be perfect for New Year's Eve. And it also came with the strap where you could do it over the shoulder if you would like. So she got me that. I worked with 3 people and all 3 of them got me this gift, which is literally, I'm so excited. So they know that I'm from Chicago and I love the Blackhawks, and so on New Year's Day the Blackhawks are playing the Predators here in Nashville, and so then they just got me 2 tickets so I can bring a friend to go see the game, and I'm so excited. For those of you guys who don't know, like if you guys watched me like a couple years ago, I used to work at Bridgestone. I love hockey, it's my favorite thing ever, and I just have not gone to a game since the pandemic hit, and so I am just so excited to go. So thank you so much to all of my coworkers. Like, they did not have to do that, and they were so kind and thoughtful. So yeah, that was everything that my coworkers gave me. And then the rest of this stuff is all from my parents, my grandpa, and then my sister, but I'll share with you guys who got what. So it was definitely a big, oh my goodness, a big book Christmas. I got a lot of books. I just am so into reading right now, and I'm just so excited. And so I got a couple holiday themed books, which I guess I didn't even realize they're like basically like a Hallmark movie, but only like in a book form. And so I'm so excited to read these. This book, it's called Meet Me in London. And then we have The Holiday Swap, which I believe is the book about the Vanessa Hudgens holiday swap, like Princess Swap or whatever, that is on Netflix. And then also Blame It on the Mistletoe. So I'm really excited to read those. And then this next one, I am so excited. So my sister actually got this for me. So this is called November 9, and I'm really excited. Also, my sister got me Blame It on the Mistletoe as well. So I'm so excited. I've heard great things about this Colleen Hoover book. And then my mom got me How Lucky. I'm so excited to read that. And then I also got the Party Crasher, which I haven't heard anything about this book, but I'm really excited to read it. And then the last book that I got, I am so excited. So this is called The Ballerinas, and I just saw the Nutcracker, and so now I'm like obsessed with ballerinis and like wanting to learn all about them. There also is like a few Netflix shows like about ballerinas. I just think it's so interesting, that sport, and so yeah, I want to learn more about it, and I felt like this book would be a really good book. So yeah, I'm excited to read it. And then my sister got me this candle, and I am so excited. So this is from Anthropologie, and this is their volcano candle, which literally everyone raves about this candle. It smells so good. It's probably like my favorite scent ever. It's so good. And so my sister picked that up for me, and it's from Anthropologie. And then she also got me this really pretty bowl from Anthropologie, which I love because red is my favorite color, and it has like some tan and like pink and purple. It's just so pretty, and I actually wanted a bowl this size because I wanted to have like a good dish to put in like my soups that I make and pasta, and then like my egg scrambles when I have like my potatoes and eggs, bacon, spinach, all of that. And so I feel like this is gonna be perfect for that. So thank you to my sister. And then the last two things that my sister got me were from Sephora, and so she got me the Rare Beauty mascara, and I'm so excited to try that out. And then she also got me a new beauty blender. This is like their liquid cleanser. I love this stuff. This is like my holy grail. It cleans your makeup brushes and your sponges so good. So she got that for me, so thank you so much to my sister. And then everything else I believe is just from like my parents. And then my grandpa gave me something, but it's hidden somewhere, so I'll see it when I find it. So I love Bath & Body Works, no surprise there. So my mom got me a bunch of stuff from there. So she got me a bunch of hand soaps, which I needed because I'm running out of them. And so she got me Strawberry Snowflakes, and then this one is Vanilla Snowfall. And then she got me Honolulu Sun because she knows how much I love Honolulu. And then she also got me Merry Christmas Cheer. So I'm excited to put those in my bathroom. And then she also got me a Vanilla Bean Noel bath gel. Vanilla Bean Noel is just like such a classic scent. I feel like you can never go wrong with it, and I love it. And then she picked up 2 candles, and I'm so excited. These smell so good. So she got me Iced Blueberry Biscotti. Smells amazing. And then she got me another blueberry one. I love anything blueberry, which I feel like not a lot of people like that scent, but it smells so good. So this is Blueberry Sugar, and so I'm excited to burn those. And then I also got a lotion. This is Bath & Body Works Strawberry Pound Cake, which is one of my favorite scents. It smells so good, and so I needed one of these to put at like my desk at work because my hands get so dry in the wintertime. And then I got a bunch of wall scents, and so I got Winter Candy Apple, I got Vanilla Bean Noel, another Vanilla Bean Noel, and then Strawberry Pound Cake. So I'm excited to put those in my wall scent. It just makes your apartment smell so good, and I love it because like if I come in after work or being out, my apartment just smells good. I don't even have to light a candle. Like, perfect. I love it. And then I also got a Lululemon gift card, and so I've been eyeing a few things on their website, so I'm excited to buy something. And then this I am so excited about. So I have my tree right here, which you can't really truly see all of the ornaments, but if you watch my Vlogmas video of like putting up my Christmas tree, I kind of talk about a lot of my ornaments. And no surprise here, you guys, I love Taylor Swift, and so I have a bunch of just like ornaments. Like this is the 1989 one. I have like a red one, Speak Now, Fearless. And so to add on to the collection, my mom got the cardigan ornament, and this is actually such a nice ornament. Like this is like super heavy and it's like really, really nice. So it's just the cardigan. So I'm really excited, so I'm glad I got that. And then some more makeup. I got the Sephora, what is this? This is their hydrating booster pads, which I've been wanting to try these out for a while. They're just from Sephora collection, and so I'm excited to try those. And then I also got a Sephora like lip stories. These are so good, and I feel like they're so underrated and they're so inexpensive. I want to say they're like $7 or $8, but this one is like a cream form, I believe. This is a cream finish, and this one is just Virgo, which is my sign, and it's really pretty pink color, and so I'm excited to wear that. I feel like their Sephora collections lip stories are so good, so if you guys have not tried them out, you need to. I believe this came in my stocking. This was just a little luggage tag from Vera Bradley, really pretty purple color. And then some kitchen supplies, which I'm actually so excited for. So I got a meat thermometer, which I needed because I don't have one, and cooking meat on my own always is like a little stressful. I literally made salmon, you guys, the other day, and it looked completely done, and then I started biting into it and it was like completely raw, and it was like so gross and disgusting. So I need one, so I got that. And then the next thing that I got was this like basting brush for cooking, and then I also got a sheet mask, and then this little mini Taylor Swift 2022 calendar. And then going off with the kitchen stuff, this is so heavy, you guys. Oh my goodness. I got this huge cutting board. It's like this wooden cutting board, and it's really nice. And so yeah, I'm excited to use this because I only have one other cutting board, so it'll be nice when I cook, especially when I cook baked potato soup, because I have to cut up like the onion, the green onion, the garlic, the potatoes, and so this is gonna be perfect because this is so big, so that's gonna be so nice when I have to cook that. And then the next thing that I got was this blanket. It is so soft, you guys. I love it, by UGG, and so it's so soft, and so I'm so excited to use that, just like sit on my couch, cozy up to a blanket, and just like read a book. Literally like the best feeling ever. So I got that. And then the next few things are just from Victoria's Secret. So I just got some underwear and then just a couple of bras, so I got that. Okay, so I got a couple of different clothes items, which I'm so excited for. So I wanted to share what my grandpa got me first, and so he got me this really cute outfit, which is from Lulu's, and so it's just these really pretty army green pants. They're so cute. They're high-waisted and then they tie, and so I'm so excited to wear these, you guys. I really wanted to get more work attire, especially like work attire for the winter time, and so he got me those. And then he also got me this really cute shirt to go along with it. I absolutely love this. It's also from Lulu's, and I have this in pink, and I love this color, or I love this shirt. They have it in a couple other colors as well, but it's just this really pretty white blouse, and then the sleeves are like lace. It is so cute. I love it, and so I think that's gonna look so good together. So thank you so much to my grandpa for giving me those. And then the rest of the stuff is again just from my parents, and so I'm so excited. You guys have probably heard me rave about these. So these are from Missguided, and these are their oversized 90 joggers. I love these so much. They're so comfortable, they're so cozy, they're so inexpensive. So my mom just got me this like really pretty purple lilac color, and so I'm so excited to wear these because there's literally nothing more comfortable than Missguided's oversized sweats. They're amazing. And then I also got this half zip sweater, which is in this like really pretty maroon color, and I love to just have like casual sweaters like this if I'm just like lounging around the house, or I have to go run like a quick errand. I don't need to like dress up or anything. Just throwing on like a simple sweater, leggings, and sneakers is great, and so I got that. And then I'm really excited for this. I needed a new cardigan to wear to work. I believe this one is from H&M, and it's just this like gray cardigan, and then the sides of it have like a slit in it. It is so cute. You guys will definitely see all of these clothes in like future outfit of the week videos or just like in my vlogs on my Instagram. So definitely make sure you guys are subscribed and are following me so you guys can kind of see how I style all of these pieces. But this cardigan is so soft, and so I'm really excited to start styling this for work. The next thing that I got, I am so excited about because I love shackets and I don't have one yet, and so I got this one, and I really liked the colors just because it had so many colors in it. So it has like black, brown, green, pink, like an orange color. It just has so many different colors to it, and so I feel like this is going to be perfect, and I'm really excited that I finally have a shacket because I feel like everyone has shackets and I don't have one, and so I'm glad that I finally got one just because they're so cute and just so practical. I really like them. And then the last thing that I got, I am in love with. So this is also from Lulu's, and this is just a sweater, and I really like it. It has this like brown and then goes to black, and then this like white cream, or this is probably more of like an oatmeal color, and I just love this. I love Lulu's, which is different than Lululemon, because whenever I would talk about Lulu's, my mom kept thinking I was referencing Lululemon, but no, it's a completely different store, and I just love clothes from Lulu's. I feel like they're such good quality and they're so comfortable, they're so cozy, and so yeah, I got that sweater. So I'm excited. I've already worn this sweater because it was so soft and cozy. So that was everything that I got for Christmas. I definitely am super grateful and thankful for everything that I got, and definitely leave a comment down below some of the things that you guys got for Christmas. I love to hear about what other people got, and so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and follow me on all of my social medias. I will link them down below for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.